Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make daal pitha, and here is the recipe how to make. First of all, we'll take the materials such as turmeric powder, chili powder, garlic paste, and salt, and we'll knead the flour. And after that, we'll grind the dal. And after grinding the dal, we'll put all these spices in it. After putting all these spices, we'll mix it properly. After that, we'll roll the flour in our hand, and we'll make small balls out of it. After that, we'll make the circle. We'll make the fine circle with it with our using our hand. And after making that, we'll start
Stamp on it.
then after we'll put it in the on the floor, and we'll start rolling it with help of. After this, we'll put some dal in it, and we'll place it properly on top of the floor, and then we'll close it like this. If dal is too much, then we can take out like this. Now we'll put it, and we'll take another
pot.
After that, we'll do the same as we did in the last one.
Daddy.
And now again we'll put the dal in it, and after putting dal in it, we'll again close it. Now it is ready. Now we'll go for another. We can also make it another way by using our fingers. We'll do like this. We should be careful that all the sides are equal, otherwise it will not be. After doing that, we will again put the dal in it. After putting dal, we will again close that in the same way we did in the first one. We'll put it in a big pot. Now we can see that all this is ready, and don't forget that we should keep water in a pot and keep it for boiling before we start doing these all things like this. After that, we should remember that we should also keep on top of that boiling water. We should keep the momo pot or any other pot which has hole in it, and we'll cover that with a with a plate that it can boil faster. Now we'll keep these all pitha in that pot. Now we'll put all these dal pithas in the pot like this.
बनी मम्मी हिला हिला के हिल गल का
After putting, now you can see from top. Now we'll cover this all plates with plate. Now we'll cook this dal pitha for about half an hour.